All right, everyone, we're at a church rummage sale. We are in Saginaw, Michigan, and this is, I want to say, Resurrection Lutheran Church. So let's go inside and see what we can find. How are they pricing stuff, do you know?
Huh?
How are they pricing stuff?
That I have for, I think, 10. 10? 10. I want it. Okay. I can carry it for you.
Oh, it's no problem. Okay, I'll put it up there.
Okay, thank you.
Somebody had a cat collection.
Is this the $2? Is everything else
Valence. 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 Swag. The curtains are here. This is just the top part. Still has the stickers. Why? Depend on how much it's worth. Okay, so when I was picking up cats and cows, they had to have like a kitschy look or a sticker on them because there was just a pile of cats and cows and they were all just like in these little baggies. And yeah, it was kind of exciting. At first I thought, oh no, but then as I started to dig, I did find, well, I thought it was odd. He was in with the cats. This is a left-in. Is it Bully the Cow or something like that? I'll put the actual name up here. But then when I went from the cats and I went over where all the cows were, they were in another room. they had her pitcher that matched, and they had her sugar dish. So the whole collection was there of this cow set. It's all marked Lefton. All of these are in really great shape, all of them. So then the only other cows I grabbed were, I thought he was kind of cute. He doesn't have any markings other than just like a little Japan sticker on there, but he had a good look. So he got to come home. And then I grabbed this guy because he does have a Joseph's Original sticker right there on him. So he came. And then the rest of them are pretty much cats. So this guy here, I think he's a Nesco or something. He's one of the birthday month cats. They have this whole line, which go for some incredible money. I couldn't even believe it when I looked this one up. So I'll put a comp over here on what this little guy goes for. Holy smokes. This one is a Napco. She was super cute. This was the only one that does have an issue. Her little, right there, she is missing a petal on her flower. But other than that, I mean, she's still in really great shape. She did have a great look to her. This one is just marked Japan. Super kitschy, great look. Love her hat. This one is another Lefton. Nice kitty there. I'm probably going to lot some of these guys up. And this one is just marked Japan, but it kind of has, I don't know, some of these might be Joseph's, and I'm just not really sure because Joseph's usually have like a little bit of that white on their eyes, so I'm going to have to look her up a little bit more. This one does have a Joseph sticker on it, right on its little behind there. This one again does not, but when I do a Google image, she does come up Joseph, so she's super cute. But see how those eyes are? That's why I don't know. I might have to look that up. But she's definitely a Joseph. Because they just used those stickers. Those stickers came off. And this one is a little Lefton. Little Christmas kitty. And then this one is a Napco. Little itty bitty one. She's in great shape. And then this one is the one that I really liked a lot. This one is an Nesco. Look at that face on that Siamese cat. Super great. And then I have two. This one does have its Joseph sticker. And look at their eyes. That one's got the white still on there. I'm thinking this one's a Joseph also. I cannot find him anywhere. I'm probably going to list him. So I'm probably going to post him in a group to see if he is actually a Joseph's because I can't find anything on him. If maybe you know, leave a comment below because these two guys are just super cute. So then I did also grab these two little cupies. Look at how cute these guys are. Let me go get the other things I grabbed at this sale. Okay, so real quick, I grabbed this Dansk teak wood chip and dip tray, still in the box. It looked like it was brand new. And as I was putting it in my bag, the bowl went rolling out and broke. So now all I have is the tray. So see what we can do with that. I grabbed these ornaments. I thought they were super great. Still had their Kmart sticker on there. Can you imagine that? 41 cents. American made Kobe. I thought the box was super cool. They were all in there. And I grabbed this tree. And I collect these for my mantle at Christmas. And I have never found one in a box. I opened it up and I was like, oh my gosh. I've never found these new in the box. So that was an exciting find for me. And then 2 other things that I grabbed from here. I'll put pictures in them because they're bigger items. I found a really cool retro bread box. I'll put a picture of that here for you guys to see. It's in really great shape. And a bigger, the older Rubbermaid hampers. And that was it. But I spent, like I said, like 16 bucks. I thought my items were pretty great. I'm pretty happy with my finds. So with that being said, this is Lynn from Hey Lynn Vintage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye, everyone. Couple other things I forgot real quick. They were on my workstation. Were these 2 Fire King, the copper. I know these don't sell really well, but they were new with tags. I also grabbed this stocking too, but let's see both of them. I mean, they're brand new with tags. So I grabbed both of those. They're just so, they're pretty, and I know they don't really sell, but look at that. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And then I grabbed this stocking too that I thought was super cute with the little birds and the cardinals. It was in good shape. So I grabbed that, and that was all that I grabbed. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.